Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time watching, can you please subscribe, like, share and comment? Today I'll be showing you guys how I do my Jamaican rice and peas. Here's my red kidney beans that I've soaked overnight. This is the brand I use. It soaks overnight in spring onions, otherwise called scallion, thyme, garlic and a few pimento seeds. These are my other ingredients that I will be using later, but now I'm just gonna add my peas in to boil. Here I'm just gonna add some boiling water, and I'll just leave this peas to cook for some time before checking. So guys, here's my peas all boiling. I'm just gonna leave it for about half an hour, then I'll come back and check it. I'm also adding some more water in it. I'll leave it for 30 to 45 minutes and then I'll come back and have it. So guys, after 30 minutes I'm just gonna add some water in, and I'll cover it, and after another 30 to 40 minutes I'll come back and check it. Okay guys, I'm now checking my peas. It's half cooked after 1 hour. So I'm now adding in my coconut milk. I've mixed it in some boiling water. Remember, I used the Maggi. So I'm now just gonna leave it to cook in with my peas. Then I'll come. Guys, after checking my peas, it's now cooked. So I'm now gonna add my seasoning. I'm gonna add a bit more thyme, a bit more spring onion, a little bit of butter. I'm also gonna add my salt. Then I'm gonna taste, guys. Need a little bit more salt. I'm not gonna let this pepper burst at all. I'm just gonna let this cook for 5 minutes, then I'm gonna add my rice in. After checking my peas, as I said before, it's all cooked. And the coconut milk is all cooked into it as well for 40 minutes. Now I'm gonna season it with salt, a bit more thyme and spring onion. I'm now gonna add my rice. I'm using basmati rice, Tilda, because that's one of my favorite rice. So I'm just gonna add it in now, guys. So there it is, guys. I've added all my rice in. I won't be adding no water in, because as you can see, the water is just above the rice. When you're cooking basmati, you don't want to add too much water. So I'm just going to cover this and check it back in about 10 minutes or less. Then I'll show you guys how it looks. So guys, this is my rice and peas. It's been 15 minutes and I've now checked it. It's all looking fine, but I'm just going to add a piece of foil paper over it and turn the fire low. And before, I should say, I did turn the fire down anyway. And I'm gonna cover it and leave it to steam. Guys, there goes my rice and peas all finished, nice and shelly.